Okay, we're here. Faulkner Fixes All. Another astounding rusty trucks across America. And this one is another C50. I know the other one was a C60. Another big 1.5 ton truck. I do know some history on it. I just talked to somebody, really nice guy, here at Elk County Cabinets and Millwork in Laramie, Wyoming. Okay, so he said it was a 69, and it's definitely, look, it says it's a truck. 69 C50. Still has the split rims, it looks like, and seen a rough life. Looks like no split rims in the back. Maybe they switch them around to the inside so the split ring stays on the inside. I'm not sure. I don't know about that. It looks like maybe they do. Definitely an old grain truck. Nobody hauls grain in these anymore. They're all big rigs. So there's a lot of these around. And it's a piece of history. This one has the dump bed. He says he just uses it to go to the dump. He bought it from an older gentleman probably 5 years ago. And it's from Terrell, Cheyenne. It's got the side tanks. It's in better shape than the other one we just saw in Tennessee. Things don't rust out here too bad. This one was a 427, but it has been converted to a Chevy 350. So the big block is gone. Looks like it's got a 2-speed rear end, 4-speed. It's in decent shape actually. Cracked windshield. Look, they converted the behind the seat tank is now on the side, and it looks pretty good. Looks like a great truck. Yeah, still got some rubber on it. Missing a few pieces of the exhaust that go back, but that's okay. That's the little latch that holds the bed down in case you have a hydraulic leak or something. And split rims. Not a bad truck. Looks like original paint. Some Bondo. That's the side tank. So you can get the more fuel, and it's not behind the seat anymore, which is nice, not to have it in the cab. Yeah, a little worse for wear on the tires there. Frame's in good shape. Pinion seal's leaking. Not a bad truck actually. Yeah, definitely has a 2-speed rear end, and there's the dump controls too. Sweet. Guess you have to have a permit here to go to the landfill. Yeah. All right, one more for Faulkner Fixes All. This is a sweet one, original paint. Got it going on, man. You guys are gonna love these. Okay, signing out for now.